And so all these toxins build up. The carpet, the computers, cars, it all builds up in your body. And now what happens is your body's now inflamed. So those stem cells in your body are too busy trying to put the flames out. Maybe it's liver toxicity. Maybe it's you're getting some cardiovascular damage done to your arteries and veins. All these things can go on in the body called aging or oxidation. So let's say you're a person who's just a runner, but you're in relatively good shape, and you just ran too many miles and it's beating up your knee. Stem cells would be perfect for that because it would just go in there and fix it. Now, the person's body usually can fix their own injuries up to a point until it's too beaten up by their own stem cells. But after age 30 or 40, you have very, very little stem cells left in your body. And if the stem cells are busy with something else, they're not going to fix that knee or shoulder or whatever gets injured. So most people are like this. They're just eating too much, they eat too much processed food, maybe they eat a lot of fish, you get heavy metals in them. They eat a lot of non-organic fruits, which have like 23 pesticides on an apple, for example. When oxidation happens, which is from diet, then your cells, this being inside a cell, the mitochondria where your energy is made, burns sugar to make energy, which you need. But when you have processed foods, pesticides, bad foods, and heavy metals, medications, mold, you name it, a whole bunch of different environmental toxins will cause this cell and mitochondria to become overly oxidized. So it will shut down its cell wall to insulin because it doesn't want any more sugar coming in, because that's an oxidizer as well. So if you have too much heavy metals and sugars, toxins, and all these different chemicals in there becoming oxidizing your cells, it'll start to break down and the cells will burst. Or they'll just stop sugar from going in. Now you're insulin resistant or diabetes type 2. So what we want to do is we don't want this to keep oxidizing with all these toxins. We want to remove the toxins. And the cells are bursting because they're very oxidation rusts. It bursts the cells. So we want to get rid of all the toxins and heavy metals and all that and control the sugar, open this back up to insulin so that you can use the proper sugar for energy and not have it floating around your body causing damage. So we do that through functional medicine. We just get rid of all the toxins, the heavy metals, parasites, pesticides, all that stuff out of the body. If you have any questions, and we can go over your needs for yourself. And we do a no-charge consultation, so just come on in and we'll talk about shoulder, knee, back, neck, or your overall health issues, whether you have an autoimmune disorder, psoriasis, rheumatoid, MS, anything like that. We can talk about all that when you come in.